What's up, guys? I am Teacher Kristen, and today I'm going to be taking a look at the PSLE 2021 Oral Examination picture for day 1. Look at the picture. Are you like the girl in the picture? Why or why not? Well, based on the picture, I can clearly share that I am indeed like the girl in the picture. I do love my sleep and I do tend to stay up pretty late. Well, when I stay up late at night, it usually is because I tend to enjoy playing video games, and the only time that I can actually enjoy my video games is when I'm done with homework, dinner, had my bath. That's usually pretty late. By then, I don't have much time left to play, but I get stuck in the game. I get completely engrossed and time just flies by. Which means the next day at school, I am exactly like her, with the alarm ringing in my ear, but still dead asleep. And actually, true story, my phone has 7 separate alarms, and they ring at different intervals, some at 5 minutes, some at 3 minutes, some at 2 minutes, just so that it can maintain a constant barrage of noise in my ear that helps me to wake up. So in this scenario, when it comes to sleeping, I do find myself very, very much like the girl in the picture. Now, that was the response I would give if I was like the girl in the picture. Most students would enter the examination hall and they would constantly give affirmative answers. When the teacher asks, "Are you XYZ? Why or why not?" most students tend to immediately gravitate to the "Yes, I am. I am whatever it is in the picture," and then they'll start explaining why. And that's all for today.